Today we want to talk about low-pass filters and filters for removing harmonics. Okay, so this is the structure of the low-pass filter. So we should have one R and C here. Here is the input and here is the output. So if, for example, we have the 50 hertz system and we have some harmonics, for example, 150 hertz, 250 hertz, and we want to remove them, we should find a cutoff frequency around 50-55. So this F will be 55 hertz, and we find the combination R and C in a way that this equation is satisfied. So let's make a simple circuit from library, from SimScap, electrical specialized power system. First, we put the power GUI and put this to low value to see the harmonics. Then just put one simple circuit like this, and one current measurement like this, and just connect. R 5 ohm, and this is 50 hertz, 100 volt. And we need a scope as well. Okay, we just run for 0.2 seconds. So if we observe the output, you can see that it's just typical sinusoidal waveform. And if we want to add harmonics, we don't have the option here. So for adding harmonics, it's also possible to add 3 voltage source, for example. So this is a fundamental value for 50 hertz. This one can for 150 hertz, for example, with magnitude of 30. You know that for higher frequency, the magnitude will decrease. And this is harmonic order 5, and we can have magnitude order 10 volt. If you run the simulation, you can see this is a harmonic waveform. So we have harmonic 3 and 5. So we have 50 hertz, 150 hertz, and 250 hertz. So if we want to remove them, we should design these filter. So this is the load that we have, and we should add the filters here. So we need one resistor and capacitor here, like this, and you change to C. Okay, so we should find numbers to satisfy this equation. Normally, this one will make a voltage drop. So we should put a very low resistance here, so 0.01 ohm here, and the cutoff frequency should be 55 hertz. So this is 55. 1 divided by 2, PR is 0.01, then the value of C will be 3.45. Now, if we run the simulation, you can see the harmonics gone. So easily we can compare two cases like this. If I remove these two values and just connect them, this is for a system without filter, this is for system with filter. And we can add one more input here. So you can see the differences. So here, this is current with harmonic. This is a current without harmonic. So you can see this is more sinusoidal, but we don't have the harmonic. But the problem is that we have the huge current and voltage drop. So we can see it's huge. So for this case, if you want to remove that, you should decrease the R as far as possible and increase the capacitor to very high value. In practical, it's not possible because the capacitor is limited, but in simulation, you can see the magnitude increased a little bit. So This is a low pass filter. For high pass filter is also same, just the location for capacitor and resistor should be replaced.